Now, today we're going to head out on two of our historic bikes. Luciano has an 86 Honda NS250R. I'm going to take my 82 GS 1100E. We are going to head up to the park, do some cruising around Longmeadow and 106, and burn up some two-stroke oil in the process. Now, we always enjoy riding these older bikes. I like the newer bikes too, but these days are special. When you've got two bikes this old, it can be pretty interesting. And it's always a lot of fun. And if you want to watch this in 4K, just adjust your device like that. It'll be in 4K. So what is the story? They never brought these into the country? I don't know the story of it. They only in Canada they had them, or Japan, or what?
Europe, actually. Italy.
In Europe?
Italy had it too.
Oh, Italy had them, okay. I didn't know. When Mark had his, when I did the paint job on his, he had all kind of documentation and pictures and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is an NS2, not a 250, huh? You didn't get the decal yet?
It's 250.
Oh man, I remember Mark had so many decals for the bike. Oh my God.
I don't know if they cut here. They cut the other numbers. It doesn't look cut.
No, I don't know.
Handles funny.
The front was too big.
The front is too big, way too big. It's supposed to be 90s, 110.
Yeah. I know when you put the big giant tire on the RD on the front, it gets sloppy. It doesn't handle nice. Yeah, this still looks pretty good. Now, what year is this?
86.
86, okay. Well, I'm still older than you. I'm 82. I'm really older than you in every way, too.
It was the stuck needles in the carburetor.
Oh, okay.
That's how I was pissing gas.
Yeah. What'd you do, just clean it out and put it back?
I didn't take the cabs off. I removed the gas tank. I thought it was the fuel pickup. It was not.
Oh, okay.
When I put everything back, I tested with the dummy gas tank.
Yeah.
Everything was fine, so I put everything back.
I still got my dummy gas tank. That was a good thing for us to make.
I got two. I got a gas tank and me.
Yeah, I got two dummies. A friend and a gas tank. It's supposed to rain by lunchtime, but I don't know. I don't even care if it rains so hot.
There's a keychain with the Japanese variety.
Oh, yeah. Well, did you get that when you bought the bike? Oh,
yeah,
you had to,
yeah.
Wow. How many miles you got? 9,000?
Yeah.
I'm coming up on 78 on the GS. Oh, yeah. Still runs great though. This is still nice and clean.
Yeah, the gauges are from 125, and that's 125.
But years ago they used to have a racing class for these, right? Because Yamaha made a similar bike.
Yeah, there is.
Did they have a class for them?
Yeah, there is a class for wheelchairs.
Yeah, that's where we belong, in a wheelchair. Oh boy. Yeah, that looks good, baby. That looks good.
I never like a Bridgestone.
Yeah, sometimes you don't have a choice, you know.
I know.
The way we're getting tires, Vlad had trouble getting me tires for the RD. He had to shop around and go. He finally got one in Las Vegas.
It's a 16 in the front and 17 in the back.
A 16?
Yeah.
Wow, that's like my 750.
Yeah.
Still looks good though, baby. And not many of them left. I know Mark has one, you have one. I don't know how many there are in the country. You have any idea?
They sell a lot in Japan.
Oh, in Japan, yeah, sure.
They want crazy money, and then the ship is gonna be.
Yeah, the guy in Staten Island wants 13, 14 grand for them. When
NS400 is a 3 cylinders.
It's a triple?
Yeah.
A two-stroke triple. That is a cool little bike, no doubt about it.
Yeah.
At one of the bikes in breakfast, the guy from Virginia had a, but it wasn't a Honda, I don't think. I think it was the Yamaha, or the 250 like this. I got to look back at the old bikes in breakfast by, they were a cool little bike. Nobody likes to show off, you know. did a couple of runs up and down 106 today, and if you've never ridden 106, hey, in the Bear Mountain area, it's a challenging road, especially on a day like today. And this, to me, is the fun of riding older motorcycles. You can, if you have a modern bike and an old bike, and you could ride them back to back, which Luciano and I have done many times switching bikes, you really can't believe how good modern bikes are and how challenging old bikes are. And of course, riding behind the NS is the smell of that chemical two-stroke oil. Oh, that brings back a lot of memories of Amar days. Oh, that's a smell. Once you have it, you never forget it. Now that NS is really a good handling bike. I've ridden behind it many times with my two-stroke and with some of my other older bikes. I have 4 historic bikes, and Luciano's got, I don't know, 7 or 8. I don't know how many. A lot of them anyway. And it's always fun on this road. And if you like two-strokes, and if you like old bikes, if you like these classic bikes, whatever you want to call them, then you'd appreciate running them up and down 106. It is always, always just a great day in Harriman Park. Now, we always have a saying, what two strokes do best? And these bikes don't get 50 miles to the gallon, trust me. My RD doesn't either. But in their own special way, they're so worth it. And the lightweight that they offer, and the lightweight handling, they feel so light to the touch and the steering. I know he's got a problem with this bike. The front tire is too big, and I've had that on my RD. I just put a smaller tire on, and the handling got way better. And so this is just the sound, the smell, the essence of two strokes, and we're going to be having some two-stroke days very soon with my RD. And thanks so much for watching.